is a manual test of the null weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can now automatically be activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast will vary at any given location. If severe weather is expected, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey.